Hello viewers, in this tutorial I'll show you how to fix WhatsApp Restyle with AI option not showing problem. Let's see how to fix this problem. For fixing this problem, first of all go to Play Store or App Store and then click on Search App, search WhatsApp. From here, update your WhatsApp in latest version. If WhatsApp update option not showing, then click on three dot icon from the top of right and then keep enable WhatsApp auto update. Now go back, long press on WhatsApp, open WhatsApp app info, click on I button or app info, go to storage option, clear cache your WhatsApp storage, don't click on clear data, click on force stop, click on OK to confirm. Now go back to home screen and then normally restart your device only for power off and on. After this step, I hope your problem will be solved successfully.